Hey guys, and welcome to another video. On today's video I'll show you how to replace an engine mount. In this case it will be the right side one. It's a job that you can do at home, so I decided to share with you how to do it. Mine is fully broken. The engine is shaking a lot and making a lot of noise. So I have a new part here. Usually this rubber right here, usually it breaks and the engine starts shaking a lot and you get a lot of engine moving. So I'll replace this one, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not a subscriber. Take a look at my other videos and don't forget to thumbs up this one. Okay, let's go. Easy way, step by step. This engine mount stays located right here. I will show you in a bit, but if you take a look, you just have two screws right here and one right here that is holding the engine, and then another one right here. But very important, before you start removing this, you need to hold your engine because you'll lose support. So you need to hold your engine while you're working. I will hold my engine with the jack so the engine don't fall down. Of course, be careful with this. Don't do, never do this without support below. Okay. You need to hold your engine, and I will use my car jack. If you look at your jack, don't have a plain surface, so I will use a piece of wood to hold like this, so I have more points of contact. So we already removed these two and this one, so you need to remove the side one. At this moment, what is holding this right side is just your car jack. You need to adjust the position so you can easily install the new engine mount. Like this, you have to align the holes, see? And you can, if you need, you can move your car jack so the points be aligned like this. After you make sure that everything is back in place and everything is supported, now you can remove your car jack. Now my engine mount is back in place. I hope the mouse just disappear because every time I move the car it starts shaking and makes a lot of noise, which is very annoying. I will take a ride on the car. If you want to join me, don't forget to thumbs up this video, take a look at my other videos, and if you are new here and not a subscribe, please just subscribe. See you soon, stay tuned, let's go take a ride.
Till it's in my head, take it all away. Yeah, I'ma light it up just like a cigarette.